Ever notice that after washing your clothes that those stubborn body odors can like still linger? I actually picked up these nice shirts from a garage sale over the weekend, and I didn't even notice when I picked them up that they kind of had this kind of gross body odor smell to them, and I couldn't pass them up. I got these each for like $1.50. What a great price. These are great fishing shirts. Today I've got an easy fix that's actually going to work, and you probably have everything you need at home. Now, a lot of the times this body odor can really attach itself to like synthetic fabrics or even workout clothes, and as you can see, these are like fishing shirts, so they're kind of have that same material as workout clothes. Now what we're going to be doing is soaking these shirts. Now if you have a washer that actually has a water faucet, which mine does, we're going to go ahead and fill this up with water, and then we're going to be adding a cup of vinegar. And then also 1 cup of baking soda. And you'll also see it bubble, which is exactly what we want. We're going to let this fill up and soak for about an hour. And I also want to mention that you do want to make sure that you're soaking this on a cool setting. And I do like to take like a broom and kind of just mix it around just a little bit, just to make sure that that baking soda is getting really mixed in. After an hour of soaking, we're going to go ahead and do a regular wash on this. After washing and drying, boom, it's fresh and clean and the stink is gone. No fancy products needed. If this helped, give it a like or share it with someone who needs it, and let me know in the comments what other laundry hacks you want to see next.